Did you guys want a picture of you both?
Yes, thanks, but does this...
Babe, see, come on.
See that?
Yeah. So pretty.
The city on the mountain.
Yeah, it's one of those few.
No trainers are dead. Is that
Did you guys want a picture of you both?
Yes, thanks, but does this...
Babe, see, come on.
This doesn't have any ear?
Why you're with me?
You guys probably like if you're claustrophobic. The other ones are like three-tiered, so it's
Yeah,
like
and they
each
have, like-
little, like
yeah.
this is
I'll be
one
alright,
big
I'll be
open
alright.
space.
It's not a long ride.
Yeah.
Give this one like
Wow, it's cool though. It's very cool. Yeah, it's like a roller coaster.
Skylar Halo is a good picture.
I really don't feel like it. You don't
Yeah.
feel like
You have this where it says just Duquesne Incline part 2. It's pretty cool. It's really cool. Well, babe, can we just, let me get a snap picture of my phone. I mean, I know you have to take it, but I just want like an actual
You guys want? Get sit up, sit over here.
Yeah,
get
so
a
you get the
picture.
background.
Yeah. Here, you get my scooter over.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm like, I actually want a picture to have the effect that I was on here. Thank
the
you.
trees.
Let's take one together, like on the phone. You can have to go, babe. Too much.
Yeah.
They've offered, like,
Can't run anywhere. So.
right, exactly.
No, the trees are in the way now of the city.
Oh no.
Yeah, why don't you go over there?
Oh, yeah, I think we're.
As you can still see-
Nice. I took
Thank
a
you
bunch.
so much.
Oh, there's
Thank
one
you.
good one in there.
What's your name?
Trevor.
Trevor, thank you, Javal Kingsley.
Nice
Nice to meet you
Nice to
guys.
meet you guys.
What are you doing in Pittsburgh?
Our niece graduated Penn State.
Oh,
So they're like, let's just come to Pittsburgh. I've never been to Pittsburgh.
Yeah, that's
I've
awesome.
only been to Penn State, Bucknell, and like Philly.
Yeah,
So-
yeah.
we're from Philly.
Oh, nice. We live in Virginia, like close to DC. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we were just in DC.
Couple weeks ago.
Yeah, nice. This is nice. I was kind of a
Yeah,
little
we like
nervous, but this is nothing.
Yeah, not too bad.
I've done the London Eye and all kind of
Oh
stuff.
my god. No, you're
I went Paris. I went Paris rolling and everything.
Yeah, no, you're good. You're good. This is nothing.
It's really cute, babe.
Initially get the bump in.
I'm happy we came and did it.
Wow.
It's really cool. Is this
Very
this
cool.
one feels faster than the other one.
Oh wow, going down.
I feel like that was faster.
I don't like this part.
What?
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah, I was
I
gonna
like
say,
the other one a lot more.
how does this one work?
I think it's just a pull.
No, it's a. I think it's a
pull.
comp. Isn't this not a comp?
Yeah.
I don't think so, because we're on a.
Oh, you're right. It is a pull.
I like the other one a lot more, guys.
So did you guys do it twice today or no?
No, there's another one about 1.5 miles down that goes up like this, but it's newer.
That's probably why I was kind of nervous.
That one's
yeah.
the Monty Yellow, that's what it is.
Yeah, that's why I was like, oh, it's
Yeah.
Guys, really quick, can we take a selfie?
babe.
Wow. I know you can't wait, right?
No, I'm okay. It's not that claustrophobic.
You have 4 seconds to get out.
No, I'm good. I've been on an 8-passenger plane. Oh, you want to go eat now?
Yes, you know they gave us ticket up to 5. So let's walk with the time.
You have to take that ticket. I mean, you don't want to feel like you're rushed.
Of a mountain.
Wow. This is like when we were in Florence. And there were certain areas where it was like very high in the water like this.
Okay, let you see, babe. See that?
Yeah. I want a picture with that backdrop. This is not. Oh, I didn't get over there. Yeah, this is like Florence, Italy. Because when I was in Florence, I was like, I feel like a place in the U.S. looks like this. Well,
Babe, be careful with your phone falling.
yeah, I know.
Before, just forget about it.
No, I'm good. I'm not gonna go after a phone. Makes no sense. I got the pictures. Oh, this thing opened on May 20th. That's crazy. Oh, your hand was in there after we did. This was definitely one of my best Sundays for 2022. You know, we got so used to being in the house. It's like,
Yeah.
we're good. We'll have to stand like here or there to be in the picture.
So I have a bunch of coins.
I do too.